Welcome Volvo fans. In this video we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on a 2018 Volvo S90. Smash that like button if Volvo S90 content. We're going to be putting on a Rainx 20-inch and 24-inch blade. 24-inch. Well, I got these off of Amazon. They're currently about $15. Let's take a look. The first thing that you're going to want to do is put the car in the on position. You're going to swipe on the screen here until you find this wiper service position. Service mode activated. We'll go ahead and do the installation for the driver's side. And then you just slide the blade up and out. So for these Rainx blades, you do need to remove that exterior cover. Otherwise, that's it. Remove this strip. And there it goes. I'll see if I can do this one-handed, but it's a little bit tough. All you have to do is depress this button and slide it up. Okay, I am able to do it with one hand. Look at that. So we'll look at the second blade. I really spend more time getting the optional accessories off. Maybe this is a case for buying the OEM Volvo. Maybe this is the case for buying the OEM Volvo, just so you don't have to take off the different accessories. There we go. Also need to remove the blue piece. Alright, wiper. Remove the yellow. Oh, I didn't mean to turn the car on. That's it. Rainx wiper install video. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more Volvo S90 content.